Well, hi, and welcome to my video. I just wanted to show you real quick, actually I got a lot of questions asking me whether you can monetize text-to-speech videos. So I'd rather show you and do it. So that's what I did. I have a channel where I use text-to-speech and I use all the tactics I talk about within my course, and I got it monetized. So I'm going to show you the proof that you can in fact monetize text to speech. I'm going to show you the channel, the case study, and that should be it. And it's recent too. It's not like last year or a couple months ago. It's very recent. So just to show you, this is the email right here. There's no funny business going on. This is my channel, right? And it says, congratulations, your YouTube channel Citizen Income has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. To get you started, check out the YouTube's creator site so you can stay connected to YouTube team and other creators like you. We also recommend reviewing the YouTube Help Center to learn more about monetizing on YouTube, including what kind of contents you can monetize. And you can read the rest by yourself. All right, but this is just 28 minutes ago. This is very, very fresh. And then this is the channel right here. All right, so you go to the channel. This is the channel that uses text to speech, right? Citizen Income, and you are now a YouTube partner. And there's several reasons why I did this. Number one is because there's lots of comments saying, "Yo, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't monetize this text to speech, you can't monetize AI." This, and the thing is, just because they haven't done it or they can't do it, people are going to try to bring you down, and they're called haters, right? So you're just going to have to do your own thing. You're going to have to focus, and you're going to have a lot of people when you start off on your journey. They're not going to believe you. They're going to think you're chasing a wild, like a golden goose, and you're chasing something that's impossible because they themselves can't do it. And that's okay. All you have to do is just, be consistent with your work. Pay attention to all the tips I supply within my course, and just work consistently. All right. So this is what you get when you get monetized right here. It says, congratulations, Citizen Income. You are now a YouTube partner. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTube partner, you can monetize your videos and add ads, and YouTube Premium, get support via chat or email, explore other monetization opportunities, and you can just click on get started. And then here is the monetization. Okay, so let me go to my dashboard and my content. All right, so right now it's all off, and of course you better believe I'm going to put them all on. All right, and you can go ahead and check out the video. So I'm going to leave a link to this channel. All right, and you can go ahead and spend time if you're interested or not. If you don't really care about this, to skip this video. All right, because this is for people, to understand that, yeah, you can do text to speech. And the reason why I did this is to basically put my money where my mouth is. Everything I show you, everything I do, especially within my course, I show you everything so you can get monetized. And it's not just a theory. It's not just feel good nothing. I've done it, and I'm showing you right now, as of what's today's date? Let's see, September 5th. All right, 2022. This is very current. Like, you can monetize text to speech. Okay. And if you want to know more about how to do it efficiently, how to do it quickly, and what tools I use, you can go ahead and check out my AI course down below. If not, then I just want to give you inspiration. I don't want to brag. I just want to, impress upon you that yes, you can monetize text to speech. And the other reason why I did this is not just as a case study as well, but I live next to a golf course where they hit golf balls not a golf course, a driving range, where they hit golf balls all the time through my house. And I also, the weather fluctuates here a lot, so I often get sick and I lose my voice. So this is one avenue which I wanted to explore and improve, that yeah, you can go ahead and monetize text to speech, but there's a right way and there's a wrong way to do it. So if you're interested in doing it the right way and doing it as efficiently as possible while producing a high quality video, then go ahead and check out my course. If not, then there's plenty of stuff on my channel that you can, free stuff on my channel that you can go ahead and go through and check out. So I hope this video was helpful. I just wanted to give you inspiration and let you know that you can monetize text-to-speech. Yes, it's worth it. And don't listen to the haters. All right? Focus on yourself. Invest in yourself. Focus on yourself. Don't let people don't let people's opinion of you, determine your worth. Right? You determine your worth. Don't look at other people's approval. You're never gonna get it. All right? Just dig deep, work consistent. I know it's cliche, but if you're gonna see my analytics, the very first couple of videos, actually a lot of videos for several months, I was making maybe single-digit views, 1, 2, 3, 4 views. It felt like I was talking to myself. And it was very frustrating. But it was only until I used my methods and my tactics that I developed in my course that I was able to get monetized and then start making a healthy income from YouTube. All right, so that's enough about myself and this case study. I just wanted to show you the goods, and you can go ahead and check out the rest for yourself. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.